Here I am at Inchigita looking at a lovely Bonneville. I'm told it's a 79 T140 750. Absolutely immaculate. It's different to the 120, it's not got a splayed head. I don't know, parallel inlet ports, but lovely. Another one of my old favourites, Venom, fella set. Kind of done out like a Truxton, but I don't think it is. Nice though. See that coming in on their bike. We have a nice pair of Vincents. Another chap just rolled up, I'm not quite sure what he's on. Enfield. It looks like a 110 Triumph. Lovely old rug just brought in. AJS, BMW, TRW Triumph, a fine big brush Superior.
2 sugars. 2 sugars.
Look at that. Right. Another lad coming in. Douglas. Some more boys coming in. There's the Indian again.
Say no more.
Yeah. There's Smith again on his outfit.
We kept looking for it.
Oh, lovely, look at that. I thought the fella there a little while ago, I had 3 gold stars, sold the bloody lot. I'm always told there's not enough fella sets, there's one just starting up here for you. There goes an old Royal Enfield V-twin. Got to be an NSU. And then just kicking the velo into life. Hopefully. Don't want to start up and away when you're watching. That's the velo just sprung into life. Catalina again. Lovely. Douglas. Nice aerial. Alongside that, Harley Davidson. That's got the inlet over exhaust valve system, I think. Sunbeam behind that, which you can't really see. Here comes the NSU again. Whirring away. We have a lovely Douglas. I don't know what model. What model is this Douglas? What model is that Douglas of yours?
It's E29.
Oh, E29.
E29, yes.
Lovely. And what year would that be?
29.
29?
It refers to 29.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
There's a little sight glass down into the oil, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely.
Die is aan de andere kant van Nederland, Zeeuws-Vlaanderen.
As you see, it's got the...
En Henkhuizen, ja. En nu woont u in dat schitterende Ierland.
The next door to that,
ja, we zijn nu met een rally bezig, met antieke motorfietsen. Ik kom hier nou voor het 5e jaar. Ik ben helaas de enige meegesproken hebben. Het allerbeste met u.
Oh, look, a lovely little Gileo. This is a nice picture of this NSU. Beautiful, lovely condition. Got a funny overhead camera arrangement these have, but I'll show you now about that. Lovely bike. Here's the old Indian again, made it to Inchigita. Lovely natural V-twin. Oh, there's their army bike. Old diesel. Very old one. What year is it? 56. I had the ZB32. I had a McCandless swinging arm conversion. I used to race that, and
there's a Rudge around here with McCandless.
37 Rudge, McCandless frame. God almighty.
Okay.
Oh, look here, you are getting the two of us here together.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and that's it again. And there's the old lodge,
difficult to
the
get them.
candy. Beautiful.
My God.
And 20. Any sign of Sean?
No, he must walk probably caught up with him.
Yeah. There he is, starting up. Rolling away. First fix the aerial. The maintenance going on down here. Great to be here. There he is, smiling away.
Over when it's
Yeah.
up should be some crack off it.
Process 80. Lovely Hellbeater, kind of like mine, BMWs.
Daddy, look at me, boy!
And a B31 or 33.
Oh, that's your buddy, or is
It's a
it?
child's bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got child's bike.
Couldn't really do much distance.
Devoid of trouble. Here's Frank's Forte, the military. Which is a Sondat, is it? Or is it a BMW? Sondat. This is Sondat in front as well, isn't it?
Daddy, why just
Yeah, they got, what do you call it? An all, haven't they? Reverse gear, and that's a nice Jap engine special, whatever it is. More stuff. No engine. Here we have an OEC, I'm not sure what model or a bit, but it's got a very strange back brake. Cable operated, but how it works, I don't know. So maybe find out. Nice matches. The old lovely Catalina Gold Star. Here in Reading. Lovely. An old Heinkel scooter. Yeah, you don't see them. No. Nice Triumph. Aerial. Right aerial there. Jeff Smith in action with the grandchild.
He's riding around on a combination.
Huh? Here he comes. To take the flag.